It's 12 minutes to 6 p.m. and the flock has retired, and it is getting dark because of the time of year, and Brandy's on the nest. So this is day 2 and counting. So if you're gonna count like that, there's 19 more days to go, and likely we should have some chicks for the new year. Season's greetings, everyone. Continue to like, follow, and share our videos. And she seems to be sitting nicely on all eggs. My last count was 11, but it might be about 12, about 13 or 14, I'm not sure, because I didn't get to do the count for a few days, but I anticipate about that.